In this video, we're going to take a look at how to utilize Zoho Creator to manage your documents, in particular safety documents. So you can see here we're back in our Arborithm app and we have a list of documents. I've categorized them or grouped them by category. You see we have some policies, safe work procedures, safety data sheets, and some templates, which I'll touch on in a moment. So if we take a look at a policy, we can download it as a PDF, which is nifty and pretty quick, or we can also open it. Now, we've integrated Creator with Zoho WorkDrive, so that's where we actually create our documents and edit them and store them. And you can see the same for safe work procedure, and also for safety data sheets. So you can see how to be handy to have all these documents in one space. Now, let's have a chat about templates. So if I look at this template and I open it, you'll see that this is a skeleton of what I want my policies to look like. So inside my WorkDrive, I've got this template, and then any future policy, I want it to look like this. So what I do is if I create a new document in Creator and I say policy, and this one I'm just going to say test and submit, it actually creates it in the Zoho WorkDrive and gives me the template. It gives it a number, the next number in the list, and now I can start creating my template here. Just call it test for now, and then I'll get out of it. So now in Zoho Creator, if I tap on test and I download my policy, you can see that I've got it here available, and that was all pretty quick. And the same goes for safe work procedures, and you could do that for any type of document template you have too. You can also do it for spreadsheets and presentations. So yeah, you can see how it's really nifty, pretty easy to do, and saves a lot of time. Now, safety data sheets are a little bit different because they don't actually use a template. They're just a PDF upload, and that's it. So they're handled a little bit differently. So if I select a safety data sheet, and let's say this one is for Roundup herbicide, and I'll just find the file on my system. Let's have a look, where is it? Here we go, drop it on, hit submit. Now if I go to my Roundup herbicide and open that one, you can see that it opens up in the WorkDrive. So behind the scenes, as we're creating these things, all the documents are being stored inside of Zoho WorkDrive. So that's awesome because this becomes your place for managing your files, editing your files. And if you happen to prefer the user interface of the WorkDrive, you can also access your documents directly from here rather than using Zoho Creator. So yeah, that's one way you could utilize Zoho Creator to manage your documents. Thanks for watching.